Welcome to this lesson on trig and similar triangles. So remember, similar triangles have congruent angles and proportional sides. And similar means they're the same shape but different sizes, like a dilation. So since similar triangles have congruent angles, the trig ratios of those angles will also be congruent or equal. Alright, so let's prove it. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, and we want to find the ratios for the cosine of C and the cosine of angle F. So let's do the cosine of angle C first. So remember, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So that would be 4/5. Alright, and then the cosine of F, adjacent over hypotenuse again, so 8/10, which reduces to 4/5. And as you can see, they are equal. The ratios are equal. Alright, now find the sine of angle C and the sine of F. Alright, so the sine of angle C would be opposite over hypotenuse, so 3/5. And the sine of angle F would be 6/10, which reduces to 3/5. Alright, then find the tangent of C and the tangent of F. Alright, so tangent is opposite over adjacent, so 3/4 and 6/8, which reduces to 3/4. Make sure to reduce the fractions. We did that. What do you notice? Again, they are equal. The ratios are equal. Alright, so why does this happen? Well, if we scroll back up here, it's because the angles in similar triangles are equal. The angle measures in similar triangles are equal. And I'm talking about corresponding angles. So for example, when I'm just making these angle measures up, if this was 35 degrees, this one would also be 35 degrees. Because they're similar triangles, the angles are the same. So because the angle measures are the same, the trig ratios will also be the same. Alright, you can go ahead and stop the video now and complete trig and similar triangles practice.